Tameron Gulf Coast just received a new shipment of used vehicles, and today we have this 2020 INFINITI QX80 Luxe Edition SUV. On the outside of the QX80, we have heated and power door mirrors, forward and rear collision intervention system, and remote start. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a rear DVD entertainment system. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 INFINITI QX80 has less than 49,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.